go over how you operate the queue, which is how you let people in and out of your business. So first, just click on the Operate Queue button. It shows you a list of people that have not arrived but checked in. There's some people that have arrived, people that you've called to enter, people that are actually in your facility, and people that have already left. On the top, there's filters, and so if you just wanted to see, for example, the people that have arrived, you can click on the Arrive filter, or click out again to turn it off. When you want to admit somebody, you can look at either person that has arrived, and you can admit either one of them simply by swiping and clicking Call to Enter. Notice they've now moved to the Call to Entrance state, and so they'll be walking from their waiting area into your facility. Once they arrive, you simply swipe on their name and mark them as in facility. So you can do this in any state. You can move them along from in facility to completed. And so you can see it's just a simple swipe to the left to move them to the next stage in the process. You can also click on anybody's name and get information about them. You can call them, chat with them, or view their filled out forms. Finally, if you click on these three dots, if you have somebody in the wrong place, you can move them to a completely different place. So you can move them all the way from arrived into completed or something like that. That's basically it. There's a search button on the top you can use. One thing that might be helpful in training is if you go back to this screen and go over to the settings screen, you can click on Add Demo Customers to your queue. That'll add about 10 customers, and you can play around with the app, move them from location to location. However, that does delete everybody's in your queue, so you don't want to do that while you're in production. But that's it, quite straightforward.